Let's have a conversation about police punishing homeless people. And did you know that it wasn't until 2018 that it became legal for you, the citizen, to feed people on the streets? And you might be thinking, well, that sounds a little bit ridiculous. Well, no, I've proven this several times on my channel, but here's some backstory. So there was a group known as Food Not Bombs in Florida who was given grief by local law enforcement because they didn't have a permit to share food in a public park. At the time, there was a 90-year-old World War II veteran named Arnold Abbott who was harassed and threatened by police in Florida because he just wanted to feed people who could not feed themselves, which means that these police officers had no issue with punishing a feeble old man when he was doing the work of an angel. And I find that odd given the fact that Florida is such a Jesus state, and these people were punished for essentially doing what Jesus would do. And yes, folks, that would mean that it has only been 4 years since that ruling, which means that it was totally legal for police officers to arrest, ticket, or fine you and even throw you in jail just for feeding people. And this happened across the country in places like California, New York, Texas, and of course Florida, since it was that state that caused the original decision in 2018. And if you look at academic studies about the subject of homelessness, what you will find is that homeless people tend to trust police officers a lot less than anybody else who is involved in emergency services. And that isn't just true in the United States, but also in Canada. And one way that cities and police departments have gone out of their way to criminalize homelessness is the use of urban camping laws, or laws that are designed to make it impossible for someone to sit in one spot for too long. And these laws are enforced in most states, and these laws can make it impossible for a person living on the streets to conduct regular activities, and that is by design, so that these people can be arrested ad nauseum and thrown behind bars for simply being less fortunate. The essential message is, hey bum, go get a job, but here's this jail record to help you do that with. And thus, homeless people are trapped in an endless cycle of legal trouble and debt, which of course means that they are stuck in their position. And it's all thanks to politicians and police officers. And no, you don't get to deflect with politicians to defend police officers, because I don't care what law's on the books, you do not enforce a law where you go out of your way to punish a 90-year-old World War II veteran just for feeding people. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow. But most importantly, make sure you share the content with everyone that you know so that we can hold cops accountable. Until next time, horns up, peace out, good night, and good luck.